Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to present a brief explanation about the cardiovascular system. This system is very important because it is responsible for maintaining the circulation that keeps our body alive. What is cardiovascular system? The cardiovascular system, also known as the circulatory system, is a body system that transports blood throughout the entire body. It consists of three main components: the heart, the blood vessels, and the blood itself. The heart pumps oxygenated and nutrition-rich blood to our tissues. At the same time, the system also brings carbon dioxide and other waste products back to the lungs so they can be removed from the body. All this part works together to maintaining life-sustaining circulation. Why is the cardiovascular system important? The system plays several essential roles. First, it delivers oxygen and nutrients to every cell, making sure the body gets the energy it needs to function. Second, it removes waste products, such as carbon dioxide and metabolic waste, from the tissues. Third, it maintains homeostasis, meaning it helps regulate body temperature, pH level, and overall fluid balance. Without a properly functioning cardiovascular system, vital organs like the brain and the heart cannot survive. So, the system is truly essential for human life. How does the cardiovascular system work? The heart has four chambers, two atria and two ventricles. The right ventricle pumps the oxygenated blood to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. In the lungs, the blood receives oxygen. Then, the oxygenated blood returns to the left atrium, moves into the left ventricle, and is pumped out through the aorta to supply the entire body. Blood vessels also have important roles, such as artery carry blood away from the heart, and then veins bring blood back to the heart. This continuous circulation ensures that all body tissues receive the oxygen and nutrients they need at all times. Cardiovascular consideration in prosthetic and orthotic practice. When we talk about prosthetic and orthotic practice, it is important to understand that the cardiovascular system plays a major role in supporting the user's physical activity. But prosthetic and orthotic users experience change in their energy demands and circulation, and this change must be carefully considered. In prosthetic users, for individuals with limb loss, using a prosthesis requires significantly more effort than normal walking. Research shows that lower limb amputees may spend 20% to 60% more energy during mobility activities, depending on the level of amputation. This increased energy demands results in 1. Higher heart rate. The heart must pump faster to deliver oxygen to the working muscles. 2. Increased cardiac workload. The heart works harder to meet the body's oxygen needs. 3. Elevated blood pressure. More pressure is needed to support circulation during movement. Because of this psychological change, proper prosthetic management is essential. Well-designed prosthesis, good alignment, and correct weight distribution can greatly reduce cardiovascular strain. Additionally, gait training with a therapist helps the user walk more efficiently, reducing unnecessary energy expenditure. In orthotic users, orthotic device can also influence cardiovascular function, especially in the lower limbs. 1. Tight or ill-fitted orthosis, such as scapholes or rigid brace, may restrict local blood circulation. This can occur because the device compresses soft tissues or blood vessels. 2. Restricted circulation may lead to swelling, discomfort, numbness, or tissue pressure problems. If blood flow is significantly reduced, the tissues will not receive enough oxygen, which may increase fatigue during walking. Optimizing comfort, alignment, and fit will improve movement efficiency and protect the user's cardiovascular health. That is the end of my presentation about the cardiovascular system. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.